No, well, you've never had a Twix bar before?
I had Twix bar. I love Snickers and I love Cheetos.
When's the last time you had Snickers?
Today, I had two Snickers.
Okay, but you just said you don't eat sugar.
I have my moments. Moments.
Talk about having your moments. Talk about people having their own moments and how important that is. How important is that?
Well, G.V. Falcon, Mr. G.V. Falcon, a moment is where you just allow things to you just sort of disintegrate. You just get up one morning and you just smoke, you just drink, you just do all the I don't know, man. A moment is where you just let go.
But you can't say for sure what a moment is, right? I mean, you can only quantify the idea, the theory, but you really can't say for sure we're having them. I mean, even this right here
is a moment expanding bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates. Intensity determines the distance at which the accelerator. Presupposition and supposition is not the same. Presupposition is a state or assume beforehand.